Hey guys, I'm pretty much done with planning the Gantt for the next month or so. Everything looks good, and the tasks are spread into the team. And today I'm going to start doing code reviews for the tasks that have already been finished. So let's hear it from the team.
I finished yesterday the POC, the implementation and the deployment, and we have now cluster of Kafka and Cassandra, and the script that testing the load, and you can see it over here. It's running right now, and we are looking into how many requests per second it can handle. And I'm going to work on the SDK with the guys after I done with it.
Johan.
Hi, so yesterday I finished most of the test skeletons. Now I'm finishing the mission test skeleton, and I need to do some fixes on the big class after we discussed some problems in the design, and that's all for today.
We almost finished to build the skeleton of the SDK, and today we will start to implement the wrappers, and maybe I will have some cleaning tasks on the DAV website.
Yeah, so I'm continuing to work on the library side of the decentralized ride-hailing app, and this will be the main focus today. This is it, guys. Bye.
Hey there, Davers. So, my California trip continues. I'm in Mountain View at the moment. I met with a number of people from two big automotive companies. They all have their research centers, their innovation centers situated here. It actually went really well. I have a number of follow-up meetings set with them, and we're going to be exploring some ideas for cooperation on some projects. I'll keep you updated. Bye.
Hey everybody, so this week real quick I managed to secure another alliance partner, TankQ out of Israel. They have developed a one-tap mobile payment solution for gas stations, and also I've been wrapping up the new narrative that we have, and we'll be rolling that out fairly shortly. And finally, also wrapped up all of the information gathering I had to do for the DAV Ambassador program, which we hope to leverage sometime in the next week or so. That's it for me now. I'll talk to you guys soon.